Beijing Zehua Chemical Engineering Company Limited, specializing in development and application of chemical separation technology, focuses on sustainable development when providing design, fabrication, and related on-site services to customers. Zehua processes both new and revamped products in refineries, chemical, and petrochemical plants for tower internal and other chemical separation devices. With the focus of sustainable development, efficiency increases, energy savings, and emission reductions can be achieved by the services and products Zehua provides. Beijing Zehua Chemical Engineering Company Limited is a Sino-US joint venture established by Jinhua Holdings Company Limited in 1995. Zehua is headquartered in a national-level high-tech industrial park in Beijing and its two branches in Shanghai and Guangzhou, three holding or sharing subsidiaries. They are Fushun Zehua, Wuxi, Huangche, and Ningbo Haixing, all of which are ISO 9001 certified, situated on almost 60,000 square meters. The facilities have a combined capacity for processing 10,000 metric tons of metal per year, and advanced equipment to provide products with accurate performance. Besides, Zehua owns two wholly owned subsidiaries. They are AMT International Incorporation in the United States and Zehua Chemtech in Beijing. Now, the company has more than 200 employees. Among them, over 80% hold bachelor or higher degrees, and over 60% are experienced engineers. Now, Zehua is ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OSIS 18001 certified. With more than 20-year innovation experience in mass transfer technology, Zehua becomes the nation's leader in design and fabrication of tower internals. ADV High Performance Tray Series, ADV Multi-Dam Covered High Capacity Tray, D-Flow High Efficiency Liquid Extraction Process, and the latest divided wall column technology are leading technologies and widely used in distillation, absorption, extraction, etc. Moreover, in the fields of acetic acid synthesis, PTA acetic acid, dehydration, for fuel extraction, aromatics extractive distillation, etc., Zehua has a complete and mature process package for providing world-leading services. For innovation, laboratories are equipped with advanced experimental devices for both cold flow, modeling, and thermomolding to support the Zehua's research and development. In addition, Zehua seeks long-term partnership with research institutes like Tsinghua University and large oil companies such as CPC Corporation and Petronas. The corporation has already benefited Zehua with numbers of research achievements. Zehua is one of the first companies in China to apply 3D technology in internal design. Zehua's design methodology is widely accepted and applied in the industry. Up to the end of 2013, the technologies and equipment developed by Zehua are successfully applied in more than 5,000 columns. The commercial applications cover more than 100 different operations and over 30 countries. In November 2013, Zehua wholly acquired the US-based AMT International Incorporation. AMT was founded by a group of mass transfer technology experts in July 1997 and possessed world-class mass transfer technologies. As the integration between Zehua and AMT progresses, it will provide crucial foundation for Zehua's globalization in chemical separation and mass transfer industries. Zehua is one of China's most competitive and influential companies now. Inspired by the motto, self-discipline and social commitment from Tsinghua University and an integrity-based corporate culture, Zehua will keep innovating and definitely develop into a state-of-the-art chemical engineering corporation in the world.